And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create simple crop transitions. What we need are two video files. I've got them both in my timeline here, and we need to make them overlap. So let me pick the second one, I put it on video channel 2, and I position them so that we've got a little bit of an overlap, or maybe around a second, or what it is. As long as you have this, we can use the crop transition. Just type in crop and put it on the top video file, so in this case video channel 2. Make sure that this file is selected, and you can find the crop effect in your effect controls. If you can't find these menus, just go to Window, Effect Controls and Effects. So we can now use it from the 4 different directions: left, top, right and bottom. Usually you would like to animate this, so let us just go through a simple animation. We're going to animate it with the first function, which is left. Just click on this icon to create your first keyframe at the starting position, then move a little bit forward. But there still should be at least some overlap between these two video files, so this position is good. Click on a circle to create your next keyframe, then go back to the first one. Just use 100 for your left. Press enter, and now we can just roll the clip, and you can see that the crop transition is animated now. In this case it goes from right to left. Let me do this again, and this time I use a bottom to top transition. So click on the icon to start the animation at the starting frame. Add a second keyframe later on. Make the first one 100%. And now we've got a crop from bottom to top. And this is how you can create these simple crop transitions in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.